Hello everyone! Welcome back to AAS Publishing. In this series I want to cover the transition to the Unified Astronomy Thesaurus, or powered by the UAT. So in mid-2019, the AAS Journals started categorizing articles, content, using the Unified Astronomy Thesaurus, the UAT, which is replacing the old subject keyword system. And so in these 4 videos, I basically want to cover 4 topics. Why the change? Why are we doing this? And probably the most important, as an author, what do I have to do? And number 3, a little information about the UAT. How do you make sense out of it? What is it doing? Why is it different? And then the last one will be, how can I learn more about the UAT if that is of interest to you? So the topic of this one is why. Why are we changing to being powered by the UAT? And basically, the old list of keywords was outdated. Its original structure for topics of the day was developed in the 1970s, and that list hadn't been revised since about 2013. And so the image there shows the astronomical subject keywords 2013. And so it's been a lot of new topics coming up, and it was just simply creaking. And so it was due for a major reboot. So the status quo of those old subject keywords, it was okay for well-established fields, but for newer disciplines such as laboratory astrophysics or astrostatistics, gravitational wave astronomy, software, and data, the old subject keywords were just woefully inadequate. And there's a list of the categories, and for example, you don't even see anything about software or data or laboratory astrophysics. I mean, that's just not even present. So this has to change because astronomy moves on, and so should the keyword database. So the UAT closes these gaps and will be maintained more regularly going forward. And so there's a screenshot of the UAT website and some of their content, and so their URL is given there at the bottom, astrothesaurus.org. So another reason to switch, besides just filling out all the gaps that were there, is that the broader community is moving toward the UAT as a standard. ADS, national observatories, scientific data centers, they already have or are planning to use the UAT when categorizing astronomical content. And there are some of the players shown on that banner image below. So with everyone using the same system, we hope that the categorizations you choose are going to be much more useful than they were before. And there's sort of my logo for powered by the UAT. And it's also true in a sense that the UAT is just an overall better system. It's run by information management professionals. It has very clear licensing terms on what can be done, and it is expressed in what is known as the Simple Knowledge Organization System, or SKOS model. And so it's a modern rendition of keywords. And so while these latter factors do not directly impact you as an author, they do help explain why the AAS has shifted as of mid-June 2019 as the vocabulary of choice, the concepts of choice for the journals of the AAS Publishing. And that's what I wanted to say on this first one on why are we changing to the UAT. And next up will be one on what do you have to do as an author. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.